Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of project management and exploring the undeniable benefits of obtaining a CAPM certification, the Certified Associate in Project Management. Whether you are starting your career or aiming at your project management expertise, this certification could be your game changer. Let's explore the exciting journey of CAPM and discover its impact on job prospects and salaries. Let's first understand the CAPM certification. Before we jump into the benefits, let's understand what the CAPM certification is all about. The Certified Associate in Project Management is an entry-level certification offered by the Project Management Institute. It is designed for those who are starting their careers in project management or are looking to expand their skill sets. You also should consider a few benefits of CAPM certification. CAPM certification evaluates a candidate using PMI-specific strong guidelines that require the candidate to meet specific criteria for experience, professional knowledge, and education. The candidate must adhere to industry standard ethics and standards and professional behavior as part of CAPM certification evaluation. As a result, a CAPM certified associate has extensive project management experience and training. And as a result, a candidate's professional credibility will surely benefit from this certification. CAPM improves a candidate's project management skills and motivates them to lead in the workplace. Because this is an entry-level project management certification, it encourages new project managers to learn how to lead a team in a variety of settings. As a result, a CAPM certified project management associate may serve as a valuable resource in any company function. Let us understand the global demand. The CAPM certification holds global recognition that we all know, and its demand is on the rise. As per PMI, the project management oriented labor force is expected to grow by 33%. Or nearly 22 million new jobs by 2027. According to a recent statistics from PMI, job listings requiring CAPM has increased by 16% globally in the past year. As you can see in this screenshot, there are 377 active jobs on LinkedIn alone, which requires CAPM certification. Considering the job market is pretty down right now, this is a pretty good number. This is all about the global market. Let us now understand what CAPM's market is in India, to be specific. Focusing on India, a country with a flourishing project management market, the job postings demanding CAPM has surged by over 20% in the past year. Let us take a look at the numbers for India. Right now, in India, there are 20 active jobs that have been posted on LinkedIn that requires CAPM certification. So you can very well gauge that this is something which is pretty much in demand in the market, even when the job market is down. Now let us talk about the salary benefits with CAPM. Because one of the burning question is, what is the financial advantage of holding a CAPM certification? Well, buckle up because the numbers speak for themselves. PMI's survey revealed that professionals with CAPM certification can earn an average yearly income of up to $102,000 as per the global records. In India, a CAPM certification holder can earn anywhere from 15 to 20 lakhs per annum to start with. Yes, this is all dependent on the industry and on the kind of organization you are joining. But this is on an average what you can expect after completing your CAPM certification. Now, let us talk about elevating your career trajectory. It's not just about the numbers. CAPM certification can truly shape your career trajectory. It equips you with a solid foundation in project management principle, boosting your credibility and opening doors to exciting opportunities. CAPM certified professionals can apply for a variety of job profiles, including consultants, business analysts, relational administrators, operational support, associate PMO, PMO analyst, etc. Now let us understand how we can bridge The skills gap. Think of CAPM as a bridge that narrows the skill gap. It's a stepping stone that introduces you to industry standard practices, making you an asset to any project team. So in conclusion, and to sum it all up, the benefits of obtaining a CAPM certification are undeniable. From increased job opportunities to higher salaries and enhanced skills, you can get anything and everything that you are looking for in your current job profile, in your current career with CAPM certification. Whether you are in India or any corner of the world, CAPM can be your ticket to a promising project management career. So if you're ready to take your project management journey to the next level, consider exploring the CAPM certification. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today.